1st, 2023.
We're gonna go on a mountain bike ride today, Volcano National Park. We got the gear loaded, the bikes loaded. We're gonna go to church service because it's Sunday, so we always go to church on Sunday first. And then we're gonna head out to Volcano National Park and go for a ride. We're gonna try to film us actually riding. All we have is like a cell phone, so we're kind of limited on what we can do, but we're gonna try to make it as entertaining as possible. And yeah, we're gonna ride.
Yeah.
We're excited. So next time you see us, we'll be in different clothes and ready to rip. Aloha.
Aloha. Aloha. Okay, so we are up at Volcano National Park. We are just unloading now. So we're actually gonna cut across, oh, we're over at KMC. So Kilauea Military Camp. We're gonna cut across the highway actually and do this trail that we really like. There's some off-road and there's some pavement, but it's a really good one. So we're gonna go do that. That'll take us about 3 miles over there and back. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do Crater Rim Drive, or Crater Rim Road. You can't actually drive that, it's closed now, but it's more walking, biking. It's a really nice, amazing views. So we'll be showing you guys some of that too. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna get started. So we'll get set up, we'll see you in a minute. Aloha.
We're realizing how hard it is to video mountain biking with just a cell phone. It's beautiful out here today. All right, carry on. I need 2 hands for this section. So we are 2.31 miles in already. That's the trail we just came out. And then there's this little area. Little picnic table over there. Beth wandering around checking stuff out. Little fire pit thing. So our bikes are 2022 Kona Big Hanzos. I redid all the decals on mine. Beth's is all stock except for her seat. I haven't got around to doing hers yet. So we're gonna ride back up that trail, which normally we go from this side to the other side and we take the road in. This time we decided to take the trail both ways. And I realized that there's a lot of downhill this direction, which we didn't know until we rode it. So now we got the uphill the whole way back, and then back across the highway to KMC, and then Crater Rim Road or whatever it's called. All right, back at it.
Epic views coming.
Epic views coming. Here she is, grinding it out. She's doing good.
Aloha everybody. So we came down Crater Rim Drive. Rode down. It's super short but super awesome. And look at this view. It's an
The
incredible
camera does not do it justice at all.
It is amazing.
How far down do you think that is? 200, 300? I
Easy.
don't even know.
Probably more. It's beautiful though.
So that is Kilauea Caldera, which currently it's not going off. It quit a couple, 2-3 weeks ago?
Is it dormant still?
Yeah, I don't think it's going off right now.
No, we haven't been up at night in a while.
Okay, we'll ride a little bit more, and I think there's another lookout down the way.
I'll show you some more shots.
This is just an easier, like, asphalt ride.
Yeah.
It's like that little road there hooks onto the main trail. So the main trail is on the other side of those trees. That's why there's nobody walking. So we cut here to look at this, and then they're all out there walking because they're tourists and they don't know that this view is right here. Boom.
But it's worth a look.
It's worth it. Ride is done. Right at 7 miles. Bikes are loaded. We're sitting here having some nuts. That was a really good ride. So
Great.
I thought there was another lookout point past the one we just did, but there wasn't.
There was a little spot to stop, but it wasn't like a official viewpoint.
Yeah, so that's our adventure for today. January 1st, 2023, baby. Good job.
Found a super cool like
Super
side
cool,
trail, too.
yeah. Single track trail. So I have a mount for a motorcycle that I'm not using for a phone, so I'm gonna put that on my mountain bike, and maybe we'll get some good footage of trails and stuff that way. So
It was super cool.
I wanted to give Beth an opportunity to plug her new YouTube channel, and she didn't know this was coming. So what is the name of your YouTube channel?
Big Island Creations with a K.
Yeah, so Big Island Creations with a K. So Beth is going to be starting her own YouTube channel doing making cards, correct?
I might throw some other stuff on there, but I
Yeah.
don't know.
So she's just going to start her own YouTube video or YouTube channel. So this was my channel, and then now it's our channel. And every time I see somebody subscribe, I'm like, what video did they watch to make them subscribe? So we're hoping that we can do more content in 2023. We're going to try to get out more. I got a new job coming, so I'll be working 4/10, so I'll have 3 days off. So
That'll definitely give us more time.
that will definitely give us more time. Like my job now is 10 and a half hour days, 5 days a week plus commutes, 12-hour days. So no time for content. So we are going to get better, huh?
Yes.
And we want to get out and enjoy Hawaii because we live here and
And we love it.
we love it. And I mean, it's January 1st and we're out in tank tops sweating our little tails off. It's so awesome.
In a good way.
In a good way. And we just, I don't know, we want to share our life with our subscribers and give them some actual content. So maybe not every week, but let's strive for at least a video every other week, maybe. And then Beth's gonna do her YouTube channel, Big Island Creations. Every time I wear my glasses, I do this all the time. So it's like, I know, it makes me look like a dork. So anyways, that's our ride, 7 miles.
Yep, 7 good miles.
7 good, like,
Good
I'm
miles.
sweating miles.
Some climbing miles.
Serious climbing. What does it say we climb?
Oh, does it say that?
Elevation.
Mine didn't pick it up.
Oh, it's a
That
lot.
time we rode for 1 hour and 35 minutes.
Yeah, okay. It doesn't show.
Yeah, mine didn't pick it up.
Swipe mine, see what it says.
Oops.
No, forget it. I thought it gave us elevation.
Mine shows
We'll learn, I don't know.
foot elevation gain, but I don't know.
Yeah, there
Yours
was.
probably has it.
Anyways, all right, we're gonna try to get better at looking at the camera instead of looking at the screen.
Really are.
And that's why it's better
Really
to just put on
trying.
sunglasses, because then it doesn't matter where we look.
I'm really trying.
It's difficult. So maybe we'll invest in a GoPro or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyways, our ride is over. We're gonna just trying to de-sweat a little bit before we get in the truck.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go home and make some good dinner. All right. So aloha, you guys. We'll see you on the next video.
That's right.
Aloha.
Aloha.